Hello guys, welcome to SatoWallet channel. I'm going to be showing you how to make use of DeepOnion on SatoWallet app. But first, let's visit the SatoWallet website. That's SatoWallet.com right here. And there are three versions of the app. That is one on Play Store, one on App Store, and that is the PC version. And we're going to use the PC version because they kind of have the same interface. And I've already installed the PC version on my PC and I've signed in. Okay, so here's the PC version, and all you need to do to sign in is just get an email address and set up a password. And this Google Auth right here is a Google Authenticator. It's another layer to secure your funds, to make sure your funds are really secured. And here's the amount I have in USD, and here the list of coins available on the app. Okay, we're gonna use DeepOnion. Okay, here's DeepOnion. Okay, DeepOnion right now is 0.349 USD, and we can actually use this search bar right here to search for DeepOnion, which is a lot more simple, a lot more easier. Okay, this is my DeepOnion balance, and this is the equivalent balance of this DeepOnion in USD. So if you want to send a coin to a friend, DeepOnion, probably you're just gonna have to click this sign here and send here, and type in the address. This is just an example, it's not really what an address looks like, and type in the amount. Okay, 24 is equivalent to 8.3, and if you want to reduce the amount, it's equivalent to 8.3 USD. It's showing in USD too. And if you want to reduce the amount, you just click here. If you want to add, click here, and it's showing this is the fee deducted from amount. This is the fee deducted, and this is the fee deducted in USD. That's a pretty low fee. And here's, you can add a transaction comment. Let's say, hey, this is just an example, and then click transfer. And then here's the receiving part. If you want to receive a coin, then the person you're receiving the coin from, that's the sender, you actually have to scan this barcode right here, or use this my address to send you the coin. Okay, this is pretty much about sending and receiving. So let's move to coin swap coins, or to exchange. Okay, from currency, now you're gonna have to choose a currency we are swapping from. We're using DeepOnion, so let's look for DeepOnion. Okay, DeepOnion, click OK, and let's to currency. The currency we are swapping to is, let's just pick any other coin. It's a long list, so let's pick this ADJ coin commerce. Okay, amount to swap, let's say 23 DeepOnion. Okay, amount exceeds your balance. This amount exceeds my DeepOnion balance, so that's why I'm having this red text right here. And this swap coins button is not going to show up because the amount exceeds my balance. If I want to reduce the amount, I just click here. Okay. Yeah, okay. Text disappeared and this button showed up. Okay, if you want to increase, you just click here. Okay, 1 DeepOnion is equivalent to 0.3 USD and also equivalent to 5.3 ABJ coin commerce. Okay, let's move to exchange. That's the market. Okay, these are the list of coins available for exchange. Okay, let's look for DeepOnion. Okay, let's type Onion. Okay, here's Onion, BTC to Onion, Doge to Onion, Litecoin to Onion. Okay, oh, these are Moon. Okay, let's BTC to Onion. Okay, this is the, wow, this is a long list of trade. These are the list of trading data on SatoWallet from between BTC and Onion. It's a long list. Okay, let me show you how to buy Onion or sell. Okay, if you want to buy, you're gonna write the amount, buy, and the BTC price. Okay, and it's showing in dollar too. Okay, here amount, price for BTC. Okay, these are sell and buy. Okay, and this is the volume, low and high. Okay, if you click either one of these buttons, the buying or the sell button, you're actually making an order. So if you make an order, then you just go to my orders and check your order. And if you don't want to go on with your order, you can just cancel the order right here. Right here there will be a cancel button on the order. Then if you want to make another order, you just go back to trade and order again, and it's gonna pop up right here. So let's go to history. Trade history between BTC and Onion. Okay, this is the trade history. Okay, these are the types. Okay, which are sells and buys, and the price here and the amount here. Okay, this is pretty much about exchange. It's pretty simple, easy. Let's go to currency. Actually, I like this part. This is how I want to show you how to change fiat currency from one currency to another currency. Okay, right now I'm using USD, and I'm going to show you. It's a long list of currencies, really. So we're going to pick any currency. Okay, let's pick this JPY. It's JPY. It's Japan. Okay, so it's going to take some seconds to change. Okay, booyah. Okay, currency has been changed. Okay, let's go back to my coins. Okay, before it was showing USD and now it's showing JPY. Okay guys, thank you for watching this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it.